Welcome to the video where we are testing the Obsbot Tiny 4K's remote control. It looks like this. And the remote control has a problem when initiating it or using it. You have to connect it to the keyboard, and then the keyboard isn't useful anymore. And the keyboard you have to plug in you can see here a USB receiver in the keyboard, and then you also have here I have to connect you see here I have to put the remote controller on. Like this, and then we can use hopefully the remote control. It has you can pan with it, and you can tilt up and down, and there is the zoom function also, up to 4 times, but the zoom isn't smooth. You have to like step into the. Now it's 4 times, and there's 1 time. So you can see here, and then you have also the preposition. You have special. You can program the robot to the bot to have special places and zoom. So you just choose, like here I'm choosing a P2. So that's that. And I hear something outside here. What's happening? I think something is happening outside. It's a riot, what? It's at the railway station, supposedly. We have to take a look, and I have P1. I have pre-programmed the railway station on the bot. So let's take a look. No, nothing happened. See you in the next video.